Hi guys, my name is Victor, welcome to my DIY Time channel, and in this video I would like to share with you how I was able to find and fix water leak in my car. So what happened is every time after heavy rains, a lot of water would get inside the vehicle. And what was kinda strange is that the water was only found on the floor for the back row seats. I checked all of the most common places where water leaks usually happen, such as trunk and door rubber seals, drainage hose for the sunroof, and drainage hose for the AC condenser. But it was none of those things that caused the problem. I couldn't figure this out for quite some time until one day I stumbled upon a thread on the forum online that totally saved me. Someone suggested that the water leak problem could be due to missing rubber plugs under the rear bumper cover. To fix the problem, first you'll need to remove the rear bumper cover. If you don't know how, I have an entire video showing how to do that, and you can check it out at the link right here. Second, remove the styrofoam rear bumper. Next, check if any of the rubber plugs are missing. There should be 3 on one side and 3 on the other. If any of the plugs is missing, the rainwater will flow straight into these holes in the back of the car. The water will follow these channels on the roof of the car, then flow down the side, and make its way into the holes on the bottom here. All you gotta do is replace the missing rubber plugs, and if you need help finding them, I'm gonna post a link where I got them from in the description area below this video. Also, for extra security, I used the clear tape and put it over the rubber plugs so they don't fall out in the future, and it also should keep the water away from those holes. Finally, I reassembled everything back together in a reverse order, and I've never had water leak problem ever since. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and if so, please let me know. Drop a comment below and hit that like button. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.